अब इसमें ऑसिलेशन में एक डेफिनेशन आती है, व्हेन ए चार्ज कैपेसिटर इज अलाउड टू ए डिस्चार्ज थ्रू ए नॉन रेजिस्टेंस इंडक्टर, इलेक्ट्रिकल ऑसिलेटिंग ऑफ कांस्टेंट एम्पलीट्यूड एंड फ्रीक्वेंसी। ये कह रहा है कांस्टेंट एम्पलीट्यूड एंड फ्रीक्वेंसी आर प्रोड्यूस, दीज ऑसिलेशंस आर कॉल्ड इज एलसी ऑसिलेशन। यानी कि ऐसी कोई सिस्टम प्रक्रिया जिसके अंदर हम किसी भी इंडक्शन कॉइल और कैपेसिटेंस के बीच में एम्पलीट्यूड और फ्रीक्वेंसी को कांस्टेंट अगर कर देते हैं तो उनके बीच जो ऑसिलेशन होने लगता है उसे हम एलसी ऑसिलेशन कहते हैं। तो दैट इज ऑल, लेट अस कंसीडर हमारे पास गिवन डायग्राम। सो विद ए इंडक्शन कॉइल एंड ए कैपेसिटर are connected in the AC mains. AC means is the induction coil L and C, capacitor and E is equal to E naught sin omega t. This is the producing by the AC producing by the AC, that is the storing of the energy U is equal to half C V का स्क्वायर and U is equal to 1/2L I square. This is the storing of the energy in chargeable, or we can do the eliminate by the AC mains. Without AC mains are connected by the capacitor, producing by the storing of the charge is movement by storing of the positive and storing of the negative, that is our vibrate of these inductions of these XL and XC. This is the resistance is R. So we can define this is the value of Z is equal to under root R square plus XL minus XC का whole square. This is the resistance is 0 and Z is 0. So we define this is the value of XL minus XC is equal to XL. This is the value of XC. This is the induction resistance. Inductance resistance is equal to capacitance resistance. According to this, plotting the graph is the movement by electric current and potential. This is the movement of this value of constant of the amplitude and E is equal to E naught sin omega t, and flow of the electric current ये I is equal to I naught sin और ये ओमेगा t माइनस पाई बाई 2 and flow of the electric current in capacitance I is equal to I naught sin और ये ओमेगा t प्लस पाई बाई 2. That is right. But in the case of a constant of amplitude and frequency, constant of the amplitude and frequency, this is the define of the value of XL is equal to omega L. This is the value of 2 pi FL, and capacitance of the value XC is equal to 1/omega C. This is the value of 2 pi F into C के साथ, तो 2 pi FL is equal to 1/2 pi FC के साथ, तो ये आपका वैल्यू हो गया F स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 1/, और ये 4 पाई का स्क्वायर LC तो दिस इज द फ्रीक्वेंसी इज 1/2 पाई रूट एल सी के साथ। तो फ्रीक्वेंसी दिस इज द इनवर्सली एल की पावर -1/2 एंड फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ कैपेसिटेंस इज -1/2. But in the case of a induction coil, this is the xl is equal to omega L, or value xl is equal to E naught upon I naught is equal to 2 pi f into L के साथ, but the flow of the electric current inversely 1/f के साथ. But the capacitance of the value xc is equal to 1/omega c, so xc is equal to E naught upon I naught, or 1/2 pi f into c. This is the flow of the electric current direct proportional by frequency. According to this, plotting the graph, the movement of this flow of the electric current is constant of the frequency and electric current by variation, but in the capacitance will be the uniform in electric current and frequency. Electric current and frequency, that is our oscillate of the value of induction resistance and capacitance resistance. The value of R equivalent because this is the phase difference is 0. Phase difference is 0 because this is the resistance 0 and R is 0 because the induction coil without is the conducted by the XL and XC. So we define this is the frequency of 1/2 pi root L upon C के साथ.